I can't believe how scared I got, huh?
The frog does kind of sound like the noises we heard earlier, but not exactly.
I agree, Days. It does sound different.
Nope, I'm pretty sure this was it. And now that we definitely know it wasn't Bigfoot, let's just safely head back to camp. Am I right? It's Bigfoot!
It came from Ronald's yard. Come on!
Hey guys, I don't know if it's Bigfoot, but the sound is definitely coming from Ronald's. Bummer, you guys. There's not enough light. I guess we have to get closer.
Okay, let's sneak around the side, and I'll light him up.
I can't believe it's Bigfoot. I can't believe it's Bigfoot. I can't believe it's...
Ronald!
Well, hello, Ronald. Ahem. I said hello, Ronald.
I think he's asleep.
Huh, now this makes sense.
Yes, this makes total sense. Wait, why does this make total sense?
Yes, isn't it obvious, Hal? Ronald is Bigfoot!
Oh, yep, big, hairy, yeah. Surprised we didn't put it together sooner.
No, I think what it means is the knocking sounds were just Ronald sleepwalking.
More like sleep drumming.
Cool, so Ronald's a sleep drumming Bigfoot.
Nope, he's just a sleep drumming Ronald.
Where am I? And what happened to all my other fans?
Other fans, Ronald?
Oh, I must have been dreaming of playing in a rock band again. This is my third sold-out dream concert this week. Anybody want an autograph?
Actually, now that we've confirmed you're not Bigfoot, we just want to get back to our backyard campout.
Backyard campout, huh? Well, since I'm already in my backyard, in my pajamas, mind if I join you?
Of course, man. The more the merrier.
Great! So what do we do?
Let's see. Well, we did shadow puppets. We hunted Bigfoot. We still have stargazing. But first,
Snack time!
one for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. One for you, and I still want some more.
I'm actually a little disappointed we didn't find Bigfoot.
Never thought I'd hear that from you, Nature Cat.
Oh, you know me. I'm always down for adventure. And besides, being outside at night is actually pretty fun.
Man, oh man, a shooting star!
Wow, so cool! Look at it go!
Totally out of this world, man.
I said it before, but I'll say it again with an addendum. With s'mores as my witness, this is the greatest backyard campout ever.